Hello, my name is still Oleg, and today I will tell you how to quickly solve one unexpected problem with Pyroprinter. If you see that the tip of the device stops returning to the rule and moves further and further away from it with each step, this is an incorrect operation of one of the stepper motor drivers. To quickly solve this problem, you need to open the device by unscrewing these four bolts and swap the two parts. This is not difficult. Let's go. We open. Now they need to disconnect the wires. Pay attention to this loop of the wire. The red wire on the right. On this loop of the wire, the red wire on the left. This is a Wi-Fi module, and it is a card reader. For convenience, they need to be temporarily removed. We need to swap these two parts. We carefully take out the details. The most important thing is not to rotate the driver around its axis, otherwise the driver will completely fail. Done. Install the Wi-Fi module back and connect the wires. If you have a third model Pyroprinter, unscrew these four small bolts and open the power supply with knife or similar tool. These are the two elements. But remember that if the problem returns, you will need to replace both parts with new ones. See you in next video. Good luck!